Also, April the 4th, we're going to have a Radford Homes Day right here on the west side of Bartow. That's right on my side, the west side of Bartow. It's going to be Radford Homes Annual Day. We're going to do it every year between March 20th and April 20th. All right? Stay tuned. See you on the west side, the best side. Radford Homes, baby. Salute all veterans. And we out. How y'all doing today? Well, we're getting ready to walk this property I got here in Bartow. It's a beautiful situation. I just met with another contractor who's going to be building the new build behind the duplex that we are currently renovating. Today I want to talk to you about picking the right realtor. Now, I'm not a realtor, I'm a real estate investor. But when I picked my realtor, I was looking for somebody who understands the intricacies of flipping homes. And at the same time, I wanted a realtor who had their broker's license because they could do a little bit more when they're a broker. And they understood how to also change doors, change windows, so they can add value on my team if I needed them. You can look at their work right there because the canvas is before you. The canvas is the job. You're at their job. Check them out. All right, this is Greg. All right, that's what I did. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. Salute all veterans.